pansinin. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video is going to be this look. So I want to share with you guys how I made this look. And I want to share with you also guys what are the products I used to achieve this look. This eyeshadow and what else. So this makeup is wearable for those of you who are going to celebrate New Year's Eve with your friends, family, and your colleague. So if you're interested to this video, please keep on watching and let's start. So I'm going to start first in my eyebrows and using this spoolie to brush my eyebrows. And then I'm using this pencil from CATRICE in the shade of Don't Let Me Brown. So I just start shaping it out. So I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using this RIMMEL in the shade of 003 Dark Brown. And now I'm going to use this concealer from CATRICE in the shade of Ivory, and using this brush to clean that edges to look more beautiful and clean eyebrows. For the foundation, I'm going to use this HD Liquid Coverage Foundation in the shade of Sun Beach 030 by CATRICE. So this foundation is very affordable, and for those of you who are looking for a foundation which is affordable and nice, this is the best foundation I can recommend to you guys. And I'm going to use this beauty sponge to apply that foundation all over my face. And now I'm going to proceed to my concealer, and for the concealer I'm using this CATRICE. This is a full coverage concealer guys. So this concealer is in the shade of 010 Ivory. To set everything into place, I'm going to use this Nude Illusion Loose Powder from CATRICE, and I am using this baking puff to apply all that loose powder into my face. And now I'm going to proceed to my eyeshadow, and I am using this ABSOLU Voyage from Lancome. And to start with my eyes, I'm going to start this lighter shade and using this brush to apply that shade into my crease. And then I'm going to use this black shade and start in my outer area of my eyes, and using this tiny brush to apply that shade and blend everything out. And now I'm going to cut my crease, and using this concealer from CATRICE, I am using this brush to slowly apply that concealer downwards into my crease. And then now I'm going to use this silver shade and apply it into the area where I cut my crease, or the area where I put my concealer. And I slowly use this brush to apply that shade. And now I'm going to use this shimmering shine to intensify that silver shade, and I am using the same brush to apply that shade into my crease. For my eyeliner, I'm going to use this Wing It Sharp Liner from SilkyGirl. After my eyeliner, I'm going back to my lower lash line, and I'm using this shade, which is the black shade, and using this brush to smoke that out. And I also use this shade, which is the silver shade, and apply it into the inner area of my eyes. And then I'm going to use this black liner and apply it into my waterline, and curl my lashes before I apply my mascara. And then for my mascara, I'm using this Lash Prism from SilkyGirl. After my mascara, I'm going to use this false eyelashes. And then after the false eyelashes, I'm going to proceed to my contour. I'm going to contour my face, and I'm going to use the contour, which is the highlight and contour compact from Into It, and using this angle brush to apply that contour. And I'm going to contour the place where I want to give more dimension, and applying it into my forehead and also to my jawline, and also to my nose. And then I'm going to proceed to my blush, and for the blush I'm using this Maxi Blush from RIMMEL. So using this angle brush to apply that blush just a little bit to my cheek and just a little bit to my chin. For my highlight, I'm using this Into It Highlight and Contour Compact. So I apply it to the area where I want to highlight, which is the tip of my nose and also to my cheekbone, and just a little bit into my chin. I am applying also this highlighter to my cupid bow and also to that inner area of my eyes and also to my brow bone. And then now I'm going to proceed to my lip liner, and I'm using this soft contouring lip liner nude painting from Essence. And for the lipstick, I am using this SilkyGirl in the shade of 01 SAVEE. I am matte lip color. After using my lipstick, I am going to add some more gloss to my lips, and I am using this Pure Color in the Shameless Glow from Estee Lauder. And to set everything into place, I am using this CATRICE Prime and Fine Fixing Spray. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope to see you again soon in my next video, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I wish you a happy new year to everyone, and God bless. I'll see you next time. Bye.